Giga Rich Mary is here! Everyone, come see my locker! Oh no! She's got gold face! LOL! You see this chick? Let me in! Let me see mine! Wow! Watch out! Thud! Melanie got sprayed with the chocolate fountain! Ah! My face! I'll break out!
What could be in my locker? Yikes! Stinky! Get back in there, weirdo! Thanks for helping me, guys. What's in the mystery locker?
Let's find out! Sprinkle shine! Wow! Looks like it's time for the Giga Rich versus Poor Food Challenge! Let's go! This round, Tony gets nothing? Ooh, I have to Instagram this baby! Look how cute! I want all my followers to know how good I have it! Hee hee! Mary also has a great dish. But mine is so good, I can scoop it onto a cone! A door!
Crunch, munch, crunch.
Ice cream for ice cream! That's for sure. Uh-oh. Oh no. Melanie is more than brain freeze! She's frozen! She can even be flipped over! Oh boy. Poor Melanie is covered in her perfect ice cream! Don't think her followers know that.
Oh well, that made my day! But for my dish, I have to get digging! Ooh, a Fanta soda! I love those! Let's freshen it up real quick and give it a quick freeze! And now I can open it with a can opener! Use a utensil to stick it on, and voila! I have my very own DIY ice cream! Lick, lick. I love it! Ha ha! But Mary will pay Tony no mind. After all, her ice cream cake is just as scrumptious. Look at that golden drizzle! Yummy, yummy in the tummy! She's gonna go for it! Wow! Mary is starting to shine as bright as the sun! Get your sunglasses on, cool kids! Meow! Let's check out these digs! This round is all about noodles. Tony doesn't know how to eat his ramen? Will this work? Huh, but what about flavor? Let's try this! Ooh, the button has summoned an extraterrestrial creature! They've given Tony some delicious sauce! Is it blood? Mmm, delicious! Now we're talking! Tony, what did you do? Blood? No guys, don't worry, it's just ketchup. Phew. Okay, good. Time to eat my delicious gummy noodles. My glow-up chopsticks are amazing. Zing! Zap! Oh no! My hair! Melanie's been electrocuted! Poor gal. Alright, enough tomfoolery. I'm digging into my golden chains. Yikes! These are hard to eat. They hurt my tooth! Ah! Wow! Tony's got Mary's chains! And Mary has ordered herself a whole new dish. It's still Giga Rich though, LOL. Snap! If a gal wants a good dish, she needs to take matters into her own hands.
I got my eggs, my milk, and my special golden sparkle. It's the best spice. Everything nice. Let's mix it all together now. Ooh, that's good. Wait, no! What's happening? No! The pasta Mary was making has fallen flat on her face! Not what I had in mind! Where's all the food? Everyone has empty spots! Oh, here they are! We have a special shoe round. Check these babies out!
Have you seen my new kicks? They're epic! Let's see if they will fit.
Tony, that's bread!
Oh, then no problem. I've got some ham. And an egg! I can have a whole meal with my tin foil. I just need to heat this baby up. Ouch! Okay, should be ready. Ooh, that smells good. My shoe is so yummy and edible. That was delicious.
On to Mary. Her shoe doesn't seem to be edible, but it sure does match her outfit. Fits like a glove.
Where is she? Oh, I found you, my Cinderella! You have the other shoe. Let me place it on. Here, take KFC as your reward. And me!
I only want the KFC. Get out of here, Prince. Ah! Mary loves her finger-licking good chicken. It looks divine. She can't wait to dig in. Watch her go. Okay, then. My shoe is a yummy treat. One I cannot wait to eat. Melanie is at the beach. Wow, her shoe was magical. And now she has all the candy she wants in the world. Hooray! Look for a cute goldfish.
Whoop, whoop.
Spin it around. Doesn't taste so bad. The girls are getting worried, but Tony has this under control.
Hey there, little fella. Let's get you out of here. Now I can have a real sip. Glug, glug.
Don't try this at home, kids. Oh my, Tony downed the whole thing. What a trooper. Okay, here I go. I did it! What's happening to me? Oh no, Melody's mouth is stuck with chewing gum! Poor girl. And her friends don't have much remorse. Okay, here I go for mine! But I need help first. Giga Rich Mary is pulling out all the stops. She has her giant fancy martini glass and her box of jewels. She'll pour the gold drink into her glass and add the whipped cream. Squirt! Now for the gems! Don't they look lovely on the whipped cream? Yay! I love this so much! It's perfect! Just like me!
Glug, glug.
Wow! Mary downed it too! And now she sprayed her pals with golden flakes. But they kinda like it! It's mine! Look at Will's versus Mina's! Giga richness! Life just ain't fair! Conch! Aw! Shall we get cooking? Huh? Ew! Ew! Yeah, dude. No one eats raw tater. Slice-a-roni! Shabam! Now, we're not done yet, of course. We've still got another magic trick to show you. The toaster chip. Let her rip! Potato chips? Yep. And they're as fresh fresh as they come.
Well, you rock!
And that crunch? Gotta say 10 out of 10. And we're out.
May I? Amina?
Shoo! I'll take that as a no. No worries. Will's got his own plan. Cut the bottom of Mina's chips. Huh? Nothing? You didn't think she saw this one coming, did ya? Decoy chip bag. Enough said. What are we waiting for now? More tricks, more magic, more fun! Worms! It's worms! Wormy, squirmy worms. What is this little worm? Oh my gosh, I know! I can go fishing! Let me try to hook this up. Hook, line, and sinker. Have to set it up right. All the fish out there want the worm. Come on, fishy fishy. Come on, fishy fishy. Tug, pull, pull. Pulling, pulling. Look at this winning prize. It's huge. It's bigger than huge. Nom, nom, nom. It's the worm from earlier. Who cares? It's chewy and gooey and delicious. Wow, there is just no stopping a scrumptious candy moment. Especially when it's a giant red, beautiful fish that tastes like sugar-sweet candy. More worms. I know, the answer is so clear! With some magic, we can even have more fun! Glug, 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 glug! Chug, 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 chug! More, more, more! This has to be the coolest worm day ever! Wow! Yummy in the tummy! How can we ever stop? There is just such sugary delight with every bite! This is going to be the best day of our lives! Keep going, keep going! Look at all this creamy, gooey, sprinkly awesomeness! Sprinkles, sprinkles! More sprinkles! Wow! Crunch, crunch! We can never stop. It's just too good to stop. It looks just as good as it tastes, if not better. Warming it up some more in here. It slurps just like a candy drink. Girls, this has to be the coolest fishing trip yet! Look at her go! Can we let her eat it all? No way! No way! Stop it, girls! It's mine! It's mine! Mine! Oh my gosh! Ah! Wow! Rena! Rachel! Melody! Oh gosh, it's everywhere! Okay, girls! Gummy time! Teensy! Okay! Nom! And gone! Hello, Mega Yum! And middle yum! Not bad, guys. Let's eat! I said eat! What are… Gummy crown! You are the teddy princess! Bow down! This is amazing! And yes, everything is edible. Duh! A bite? No, peasant! The queen's the queen! Carrie! Whoa, Nelly! Now that was unexpected. More! More! Nice! And that's what we call 100 layers of goodness, ladies and gents. Dig in! Yum! A bite? No! Huh. But Puller gets an idea. Hair dryer! And whoosh! No, no, no! Yes! Ha ha ha! And we're melted! I'm stuck in stick! Ha 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 ha! Come on, treats please! Is that a gold cake? Whoa! Pink and cookie mystery? Wow! Reina's in! Nom nom nom! Guys, look! Gah! Reina! Manners! That would be the lowest of her concerns. She's eating a mouse! Ow! Well, that takes care of things. Candy! Nom. Not bad! But wait! Needs… Flamingo? Well, alrighty then. Open up, pal! Chew. Yeah! Good boy. Now frosting. Well, that's one way to do it. Thanks, Mr. Flamingo. Ready for round 2? Yeah! He goes green too. It's a miracle. Oh, candy. This is something special. Ha! Rainbow goodness. Is that enough sugar for you? I think that's a yes. Mmm, so good. You got a little something. Rachel's turn. Golden silverware only. She's so neat and careful. Very good. Yum! Simply heavenly. Mmm. Mmm. Whoa! Rena's got a plan. Let's start the timer. You got 1 minute to finish up, Miss Fancy Pants. What? Oh my god! She's gonna blow! Wait, nothing happened. You still got time. Dig in! Oh yeah! Now we're talking. Who needs manners anyway? Almost out of time. Oh no! Ah, we got slimed! Reminds me of the good old days. We're in the clear. Open up, girls. Oh, whoa! A perfect blue cake and some pops. I'd say this is a success. Come on, there's nothing wrong with a taste test. Don't mind if I do. You've got the rainbows. Whee! Whoa, no! Tell us the flavor is out of this world without actually telling us. On go the pops. So cool. And magic. That thing belongs in a museum. Yippee skippy! Try it out. Don't be shy. You earned it. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Mel can't get enough. Who's up next? We'll just catch up with Julie. Oh, wow! Poor Julie is happy with anything she can get. Yes, even about a pop as teeny as that. But hey, those toppings are the coolest. Pick any color you want. Julie rolls layers on layers of sprinkles. Supersize that pop. Never seen anything like it. Hey, no problem. I think it's too hard to bite. Huh? Whoa! A little help here? No! Julie's getting bigger and big. Phew! You popped! Okay, Giga Richie. Nothing? Does Mary even know the definition of anything other than a lot? OMG! Get the queen her hair? The treats are in your hair! Oh, well that's not a tasty mix. Mary's not a happy camper. Help! Have no fear! Your assistant is here! She'll fix ya. How much extra do you pay her for her flexibility? Gee whiz! Snip, snip, snipperoo! Will this do me any good? And seeing as you can work with your feet, I think I'm in for a treat. You can even have your candies back, hair included, if that's your thing. Oh, brother, looks like those beautiful red locks couldn't be saved. Oh, you won't be able to live this one down. Okay, okay. Snacks! Burgers! Bread! Wait, plain bread? We'll get back to that. For now, our task is to watch Amina. I'm jealous. And she's got an idea. Whatever. She's tossing her burger parts. And what can you say? Parts make up a whole. Bingo! Will starts to make circles from his bread. I have no idea where this is going, y'all. Wait a gosh darn second. Will's making mini burgers. And I'm talking mini! Cool! Bite-sized yumminess. Amina doesn't think so. You! Okay. Jacket, on! Have fun doing anything with that on. Ha! And yes, Amina's going to enjoy her mini Sammy. Just an appetizer before the main show. Holy Megaburg! Maybe next time, Willy Poo. Just don't look. Ugh. So yum! Is that chocolate? A package of chocolate. Wow. Round of applause for this giant chocolate bar. It's huge. That's wonderful. What can I do to make this moment last forever? It's so pretty. How could I bite such a beautiful thing? It's too big. This one. She's cuckoo. Ah! So scary! Oh, I'm afraid! Who is cuckoo, girls? Is it me? I'm going to make it perfectly bite-sized. Wow! Delicious bite! My goodness, I can't stop! That does look like the perfect bite. With magic, we can make all our chocolate wishes come true. This is so exciting! Clap! Let's make even more chocolate appear! Wow, it's our time to shine, girls! Let's make this beautiful cake surrounded by chocolate heaven! You can never have too many chocolate colorful goodies on a yummy golden cake! Keep going, keep going, keep going! These chocolate solutions keep popping up. Let's dig in, shall we, girls? A slice of paradise. It's truly perfect. Nom. No, the Tower of Twix is perfect. Do you see this thing? It's like it's from another planet. Why is this so difficult to reach? Where's my magic? Come on, come on, come on! I need help! Help? Oh yes! What can I help you with? The Twix Tower needs to be made easier to grab a Twix. However can I begin to eat? Oh my! The tower goes up to the sky! This is crazy! I knew we were in chocolate heaven! Let's grab this piece. This piece? Whoa! Whoa! This is all gonna come crashing down! Was this such a good idea? Thump! Oh no! How did this even happen? Anything can happen when you love chocolate. Girls, got a sweet tooth? Oh, baby! So small! So big! It's perfect! Cool! Rich is happy. And blow! Wow! And nom nom! Too good to be true. Oh yes! Aww! Down the hatch. Just you and me. Better make it last. I know! Wow! What? Never seen a girl boss with a chainsaw before? Poor. I've seen movies and it did not end well. Wah! Done. Oops! Hee! Stack it up. So cute! Candy! Fall! Man! Bahahaha! Now that art project's done with, let's get to business. Whoa! It's huge! And I'm so willing to help. That is delish! Pure heaven! Can I? No! Fine. Permission isn't necessary. Huh? Hey! It's mine! What gives? She takes the candy. No, you won't get it on Carrie's watch. Oh my god! Girls! Boom! Haha! Share?
You!
Yes? Sorry, Carrie. There's nothing you can do. Just back away. Cool! Rainbow Cola realness. Sweet beans.
Wow!
Let's sip. After you. Glugga lugga. Whoa! Look, it gave you the prettiest lips. Orange time. Drink up. Eyeshadows. Amazing! What's in yellow? Matter of fact, why not taste the rainbow? Whoa! Now that is a rainbow look. It's perf. Rena! Wow, a cup? A cup? Ha 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 ha! Ridiculous! You go! Is there a reason your shoe has a hole in it? Ugh, Rena, that stinks! Hey, you! Face masks. Duh! Much better. Well, Rena doesn't mind. Now, about that plan? Huh? A brush, you say? How about Rena? What is that? A bat? We're innocent! Okay. Now, teabag! Perfection! Are we in the clear? Yep. All that for some tea? Oh, Rena, my hair is graying. Now this looks like we're ready to party. But what goes inside, I wonder? Okay. Ring-a-ling! What? This girl drinks liquid gold? Now that's gotta be great for your teeth. Yum, yum, yum! Watch it come down like a precious waterfall. Incredible! Now to taste it. That's totally the best part. Yes! Sloop! So good. Can I have a sip? Fine. One for me. Go for it, Rainbow Lady. Oh, it is simply divine, I must say. Rena gets some too, but not the bottom. Rena! Timber? Ha! I think you'd better run, Riri. Oops. Giant popcorn. You got a tiny popcorn. Oh man, short end of the stick. It's so tiny. Just one popcorn? Bummer. Ooh, making this last. Mine! Oh gosh, there's so many, I can't keep count. The butter, the salt, it's all too good to be true. Nom. Bright idea. Perfect and brilliant idea. Don't try this at home, kids. I know a better way to get the popcorn popping right into my mouth. We just have to carve the perfect hole. It's genius. I got this. In the bag. Or should I say in the bowl. Here we go. Nothing going on here. Slurp. Hee. The popcorn is mine. It's so good. I never want it to end. Rena. Nothing happened. Nothing at all. There's still one bucket to go. Look at the giant mountain of popcorn. That's huge. How can you ever get enough of butter and salt? I can't. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Wow! There's just so much. So much! There's more than enough. She can share. Crunch. Ow! That hurt! Foo! Bam! Boom! The bucket is taking over the room! Where is everybody? It's so dark. Did somebody turn off the lights? Whoa! Cool! Julie's happy with old Teensy. Until she realizes it's paper. Ugh! Can't relate. Real Choco here. You're breaking Julie's heart with your flawless, fantastical. Wait, what do we dip? Ah! Giga Rich decides to use her phone. Being rich. Oh, it must be nice. Look at that. So shiny. I'm getting distracted. Some wacky transformation. Yep, we made her phone 100% gold. And now, Choco! Double trouble for the win. You may not think it works, but chocolate-covered chocolate? It's the best! The flavor must be awesome! Yow! You hurt me! Ah! We'll be right back. In the meantime, Mel, take it away! Hee-hee! Poke, chocolate finger. Keeping it simple? Hee-hee! Aww! It's mine! Whoa! You have magic straw powers? That's a new one. Whoa! Watch for Julie. Find the right one yet? Here, Pinky. Gotta sip with style, right, Jules? Oh, yes! That gives our less fortunate friend an idea. Just connect the straws. Now you're free to sip and dip. Whatever floats your boat. Hee! Thanks for sharing, Melly. You've always been too kind. Even when you don't know it. What? Huh? Julie, you are so busted. Ha! Should have brought napkins. And boy, that is one serious belly. LOL. You run! It's time! So cool! And Poor gets one too. Aww, that stack. No, that stack! So huge! You said it. Idea? Let's just chow. Yeah! Hits the spot. Wait! Up to the sky! And catch! Yippee! You got this thing! And now, you win! The Big Kahuna! A thing of legends! The Megaberg! Poor wants in. Up and… yeah, gravity still works. Nom, nom, nom! Ew! I know. These gold burgers are going up! 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 Sweet! Whoa! Nice! Now that's what I'm talking about! Amazing! Amazingly unstable! No! Timber! Carrie? No! She's fine, just we'll need some help with these treats. Ha! The princess is ready. Hey, I do want to be well-versed in food magic. Anyways, let's get to work on these oodle noodles. Yup, rainbow goodness! You've heard of Lady and the Tramp. Now check out The Peasant and the Dame. Yum! Keep your grubby hands off my snack! Nom nom! Wow, greedy much? What do we do with this egg anyway? Well, not that. That's Will's lunch. Save it, buddy. Just take this here and… egg in a syringe, my absolute favorite. JK, of course we're gonna cook this thing. I mean, it wouldn't be the craziest thing on this show, but I digress. Noodles! Will made egg noodles. And on top, some blue cheese. Gotta keep those smell senses on their toes. Salami! I'm hungry. Come on, Will. Let's eat already. Bike? I guess you gotta cut this pasta pizza somehow. Well, you might just be a culinary genius! Ah, yes! Will, a bite, please?
No way, Jose. Read it and weep, Richie Pants.
Hey, what's going on here, girls? What? Just bread? Mine doesn't have money. Really? You're right. I have burnt toast.
What is this? Am I being punished?
Ew, we can smell it.
This isn't happening. Is it really happening? Oh gosh, no! Yuck. I can't with this. I just can't.
Gross! This is disgusting. Blech! Blech!
I can't even look! I just can't look!
It's fine, it's fine.
Look at all this money! Oh god, I love the smell of money! The taste of money! I want more and more and more and more! I just can't get enough money! Money is so good, girls!
What is happening?
Has she lost her mind? Money is so good! So green! It must be healthy! It's time to eat the last plate! The boring plate!
I know how to make this experience much more fun.
Watch and learn, girls! Watch and learn! I'm just gonna make this the best sandwich of my life! Sweet and savory, chips, candy, and everything we love! This is so exciting! It's like a mini sandwich miracle! Yum! Maybe you can have it all! Gobble gobble! Nom nom nom! Look at the meat and chips and bread and candy! It's the best combo! Is it? Finishing it all up! Nothing goes to waste! Fresh and delicious and met all the wishes! Who wishes this? Thank you so much for watching! New episodes are out all the time, guys! So be sure to sub and hit that bell! Also, leave us a comment and let us know what your favorite part of the episode was! We love hearing from you!